Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video, and today I'm going to show you some of the cool features on the Pioneer DDJ 1000 controller. I bought this controller about 6 months ago and I've been using it ever since. It's an absolutely brilliant console, and it's got many features which I'm going to show you today. I've been using this controller consistently on my live streams, and I can honestly say that this is one of the best controllers I've used to date, making this the ultimate purchase for any DJ that wants to do live streaming or even DJ at home. The actual console itself is quite bulky, so I don't actually recommend taking this to a gig. I have tried this before and it was a bit of a challenge, but one of the good things about this controller is it has full-size jog wheels, and the reason why I bought it was because I wanted to see what it's like to use the CDJ. When I first bought this, I didn't actually understand how to use CDJ turntables, and this controller, as it has exactly the same size jog wheels and pretty much all of the features of the CDJs, it was able to kind of educate me in how to use it, and I then moved on to doing a live set using CDJs, as I was a Serato DJ before that, and also previously to that a vinyl and also a tractor DJ. Without further ado, let's get into it. As you can see, it has a full wave display, and that's controllable via the jog wheels. It has the full-size jog wheels. It has the lights just like the Nexus turntables, and also some really cool features on the pads. You've got hot cue and keyboard, pad effects 1 and 2, beat jump, beat loop, sampler, key shift, and also sampler banks. The sampler banks are really cool. You can load in your favorite samples. First, you load your samples up into the sample section of the Rekordbox. Next, press sampler, and then you can play back the samples. You can adjust the volume. I usually put it to about halfway. You can have 16 different sample pads all loaded up, and there's 2 banks across 2 different sides of the turntables. You can also assign effects as well to the sampler. So I'd go to this part here, I press this button here, which is release effects, and it starts flashing. You can turn the level of the effect up for the amount, select the effect that you want here. You've got a sampler volume which you control from here. The mixer itself is the same as one of the Pioneer mixers that you see in the clubs today with the color buttons. You've got controls over the color buttons with echo, pitch, filters, noise. Also, you have assignable effects here as well, which features low cut echo, empty delay, spiral, reverb, transform, and I'll show you some of those now. Once you've done that, you just turn your sampler volume up, and as you can see, the echo's tailing off. So that's with, and this is without. Also, let me just play something a bit more simple. Without, with, and obviously you've got different effects as well you could use that with. So peeps, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. There's some basic insight onto some of the simple features on the DDJ 1000, including what I just did there. Look out for my next video where I'm going to show you some more advanced features that I use while I'm mixing on my live stream weekly. That's it for today's video. Take care, God bless, peace. I'm an everyday junglist.